Parents, learn how you can spring clean your students' online footprint with Parent University. Now, during the month of March and April, we are helping families to spring clean their digital footprints. We are giving away free 2-week passes to Parent University. With Parent University, parents become social media experts while teaching their kids the positive side of social media and how to spring clean their own online image. Why are we doing this? Well, colleges and internships are searching more and more for students during the application process, and here's what some of them say. Whether you're applying for an internship, job, or for grad school, your evaluator will likely perform a quick online search of your profile to see if the persona you've presented formally matches with the real you. You don't have to have an extreme case of closet skeletons for a cleanup job to be in order. Pics of drunken revelry, controversial political or religious posts, or anything that could possibly be considered poor taste should get removed immediately, says the Harvard Crimson. Now, if you want help analyzing your students' digital footprint, consider joining Parent University for free for the first 14 days. Watch our video modules that will keep your family safe and smart online while teaching your student why they need to shine online someday to get into their dream school when your family is ready for them to be online. Now, why should students spring clean their digital footprint? Well, if a student spring cleans their digital footprint, they're more likely to spot any red flags before they're discovered by a college admissions officer or employer, especially if those red flags are posted by someone else. Now, if a parent helps in this process, students are statistically more likely to make wise decisions in their future online actions. It also starts a healthy dialogue. In order to build a positive online reputation, it's important to understand what is already in your search results that may be posted by others or may accidentally be posted by your student. Having negative search results can impact your students' college and internship opportunities, potentially hurting their chances of getting into their dream career. And the earlier that you start, the better off you are. Now, when colleges search for a student, they want to get a better idea of who that student is as an applicant. They're looking for people full of positivity and gratitude, as you've seen in my speeches. If they find posts that aren't a positive representation of that student, it can make it hard for them to determine if that student will be the best candidate on their campus, in the internship, as an employee, and so on. Now, what does the news have to say? Well, NPR says that the vast majority of hiring managers routinely Google potential job candidates. And what they see on that first page of search results matters a lot. Just ask Pete Kistler, who was a college junior when he started applying to a bunch of computer software firms. He was looking for a summer job. He applied to dozens of jobs and didn't hear back from any of them. Kistler says that he was puzzled until a friend gave him a call. The friend worked at one of the companies that he had applied to, and he said, "Hey buddy, you won't believe this, but the reason you didn't get called back was because they Googled you and they found another kid with your name that's a drug dealer and they thought that you were him." Now, who is Parent University for? There's 3 types of people. If your kids are good online, it will show them how to use social media to someday impress colleges and future employers or internships, and you get it. They can watch step-by-step videos with you to learn how to set up resume building profiles like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Medium.com, Pinterest, and a lot more. They're deep dive sessions led by me, Josh Oakes, and I'm going to show you how to shine online. Type number 2, the second type of person this is for. If your kids have maybe made an online mistake, then the safety video modules will get them back on track and help them to make wise online decisions and reduce social media related tension or blunders in your family. Now, also the video modules for number 2 will show them examples of others who made mistakes. We walk them through the whole story and how your students can avoid these mistakes to be careful online. Footprint Friday is this tool that is included in every Parent University membership, and it gives parents a look into their students' digital footprint each week in less than 5 minutes. It helps if your kids are good and or bad. Now next, the third type of student that this is for. If your student is not online yet, this will give them a foundation to build a positive digital footprint before they have the chance to make any social media mistakes. Much like driving a car, we highly suggest that your kids learn the responsibility of safe social media use several years before getting the keys to the digital car, aka their first phone. Now, how do you sign up? Well, be sure to sign up for this program as soon as possible to take part in this free 14-day trial. If it's on our website right now, then it's still active. Go ahead and take part in it. No need to reach out to us to ask if it's still going on. So you can start at smartsocial.com. I encourage you to do that ASAP. Now, what does the news have to say? Well, BBC says a young man sent a single tweet which attracted a response from a prominent sports personality. The tweet contained several swear words, and the response would also have been offensive to some. Although there was little else offensive from this student, it came up in every single Google search as the top mention of that student's name, and he felt it was harming his employment chances. And that's because it got picked up by that prominent sports figure, and then it was at the top of Google. Now, Forbes says that in our modern world, where most people are searching for everything on the internet, one should invest in how they manage their online trail. Everyone should understand the importance of online reputation and how proper management can have a positive effect on their search engine placement. Norton says digital footprints don't merely attract the interest of hackers or those out to steal your identity. They can also be traced by potential employers, schools, or creditors. Managing your identity clearly matters. When you take steps to control your digital footprint, you take steps not only to protect your own identity and reputation, but that of your family and friends as well. We're all in this together. Now, Microsoft says, unlike data stored on paper, online information can be aggregated by internet, search engines, and other tools, which makes it easier for others to put together their own idea of who you are. Websites may archive what you have posted and data they have collected from you. Friends or ex-friends may divulge it. Malicious programmers and security lapses may expose it. Now, Inc. magazine says it has become essential to look at your online presence in a global, integrated, and strategic manner. Entrepreneur says your online reputation is the information people find about you online, so hiding behind privacy settings actually puts you at a risk if something negative were to come out about you. And the New York Times says snoops will take the time to troll further online, or who take the time may also find in blog posts or Facebook comments evidence of your political views, health challenges, office tribulations, party indiscretions, any of which could hurt your chances of admission to school, getting or keeping a job, or landing a date. And Forbes lastly says your online presence does matter. All right, how can schools get involved? Schools, you're welcome to use our sample email template to send to your community in a newsletter. You can also set up a call with us using the contact form if you want to get more details. Now, I want to walk you through the Parent University membership area so you know what you're getting to help protect your family. As soon as you log in and register, you get 14-day free trial. As you log in the upper left, you can visit our secret Facebook page to ask questions, which is a really nice, refreshing, great place to get answers. In the upper right, you can check your inbox from an invite from Footprint Friday, which is an amazing tool that we developed that you have to watch the first 2 videos to really understand how that tool works, and it changes the way your student is online. And then if something goes wrong, these bottom 2 buttons gets you an analysis or we fix your kids' Google results. As you scroll down more, you get an Instagram tutorial, as you can see in the upper left, and it's a deep dive that shows parents everything your kids might not be telling you about Instagram, and you might be an expert already, but this shows you a bunch of little hidden stuff. Next, if you don't understand Snapchat and it frustrates you, you get a deep dive of Snapchat. You also get a family cell phone contract that you watch with your kids, this video. And then, as you scroll down more, you get how to set up the green zone networks. As you can see right here, this is our shining glory. How to set up Instagram, a guide for students that want to develop a portfolio of positive accomplishments. The next one is a Facebook training, how to set up Facebook deep dive, LinkedIn, Medium, Twitter, Pinterest, and several more videos. These are all deep dives. You watch them with your kids, and your kids learn before they need to how to set them up in a positive way. Then this is a student plus parent training video, how colleges are going to search for your students online. You watch these with them. And this is really a little bit, these are some safety videos. If your kid got in trouble, how to get kicked out of Harvard, how to find old social media accounts, should you use your real name, can I share my password with my best friend? We've got dozens of videos in here that are really with your kids, junior high and middle school and elementary school kids. Now, and high schoolers can watch this too. These are parent-only training videos. Watch these videos to get up to speed on what your kids know and how to protect them. How to find hidden apps on your student's phone. This video is quite good, and it's helped thousands of parents to understand what apps their kids have downloaded and then deleted. Pretty good. Ransomware, a 3-step digital plan for every family, all these different things that really teach you and deep dive into this. My staff has really put a lot of time into this. You're also going to get access to all of my books. You get PDF downloads of the actual PDF that goes straight to the printer. That's right. You're going to get to read them all for free. It's about a $45 to $60 value. You're also going to get an invite to our Parent University Facebook group where you can ask questions about monitoring software and so on, and we'll get back to you about that. It's a great place to be to help each other. Now, you're also going to get an invite to Footprint Friday. Colleges and employers have time to search for candidates, and most parents don't take the time each week to search for kids. So our team built this tool to teach parents exactly how colleges will search for them online. Footprint Friday helps you monitor your kids. It's awesome. There's a whole video that teaches you how to register and how to do it on Footprint Friday. You'll get an invite to it as soon as you sign up for Parent University. And it's free for every Parent University member. In fact, that's the only way to get the tool. Now, I'm Josh Oakes. I'm honored that you watched this video. You can click the links below or in the upper left to learn more about Parent University and how to spring clean your kids' online footprint this spring. Remember to subscribe in the upper right. Click on one of the videos in the middle of the screen to learn more about keeping your kids safe and smart on the web. I'm Josh Oakes. Thanks so much. As always, keep it light, bright, and polite. Have a great day.